Hi guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Hoy.
Hi.
So today na subscribe
Subscribe.
and
Huh? Share
then
and walk the mountain for me.
subscribe daw guys. So dili pa naka-subscribe. So we're going to San Carlos City. Then balik na naman siya baktas diri sa bukid. See cheese. So medyo lapok pa siya guys kay gauwan gabi eh. You can wipe that in your wipes. Oh, na-dirt na.
Yeah, later.
Later na lang na. Oh, careful. There's another Modi. Modi. This time not good wearing this kind of white shoes or white flat shoes.
Yeah, in this terrain, it's advisable to wear one.
Ubos na yung gininhawa. Much tired na. So mao na yung itsura guys. Saka baklay diri sa mayon. Hi, we're going to San Carlos. Then long walk na naman. From there today. Grabe guys, kalayo di sa mong lugar. Makaspan gid siya guys. Kurot gid imong singutanan guys, igo ka mabot sa mayon, di ba? So kani siya dili na niya first time dire kay naka how many times na ka balik dire?
2, 3.
More,
4.
maybe 3 times na ka nagdo one.
Yeah,
So, how's the hike?
it's good. I really like it. Gusto ko.
Kahit pagod. Yay! We have many big mountain. So, he can walk naman. Like that. Kaya naman niya magbaklay padung sa mayon.
Backline.
Oh, climbing the mountain. Then this is the beauty of Bosque.
Yeah, I'm walking.
So guys, nanamidori sa hapit na tunga-tunga guys para maabot namin sa highway. Then dako kay dagom guys, murag muulan siya karon, but hopefully not. Then yeah, minute siya. Hiningal na yung isa.
It's a
He
great.
looks tired now.
No, it's a great
Ah.
hike.
Oh, great hike ko no.
Backline.
Di pa siya kapoy. So, welcome to the Bosque.
Yeah.
Many big mountains.
Yeah.
Parang chocolate hills. Eh. Oh, we walked 2 hours. No need to be rush. It's too early pa man. So, na namin sa Mayon, guys. Here na dong. Nanami sa Mayon. Finally, after 2 hours.
10 hours.
Oh. Ka-ATM lang yan. So guys, kung kisa pa itong nakasubscribe sa among YouTube channel, please don't forget to subscribe.